Today we are making coconut mustard seeds rice. It's called Kayi Saaswe Anna in Karnataka. It's a very delicious rice dish. So the ingredients needed are a big cup of coconut, fresh coconut, some 10 green chilies, around 5 red chilies, the spicy ones, 1 spoon of jeera, 1.5 spoons of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of pepper, lemon-sized tamarind, and a handful of coriander. Put everything in the mixer jar. Followed by very little salt, and grind it to a fine paste. After you grind a bit, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of jaggery and continue to grind. For the tadka, once the mustard splutters, add urad dal 1 spoon, chana dal 1 spoon, dry red chilies, and lots of curry leaves, handful of peanuts, and finally some hing. The more the hing, the more it tastes better. Okay, take some hot rice and then pour the grinded mixture and pour in the tadka. Mix it and enjoy!